It's been a while since I sat down out here in the shop, but working on some can eyes, 10 millimeter. I've already got holes drilled. Let's see if I'm technically logical enough to put some video of that in. Karen was just out here. All right, maybe I did or maybe I didn't get footage in there. I don't know yet. But come on with me. This is what I do after the holes are drilled. All right, let me get this adjusted so you'll be able to see the best. All right, there we go. I think it's pretty good. First thing I do is I come in with this cutter right here, and I cut on the bottom side of the eye. The bottom of the eye channel. Get her cranked up to speed. There we go. I do that to all of them. And then I'm going to come back in with this cutter right here. Going to get in there, crank her up to speed first. Get in there and just smooth it out. Trying to make a nice transition in here. Something like that. Crank her up to speed. That kind of coming to life, getting shaped up. Like that. Blending it in nice. That's all I got. Except I got a few more to do. We'll fire up the burner, burn the bills in. I'd appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thank you very much. If you like my stock carbon, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you're not, please subscribe and leave any comments down below if I can be of help to you. Canvasback. Happy Monday.